Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Legal Shots with Vakil. And in this video, I will be sharing 3 tips for beginners for profile building on LinkedIn. तो फर्स्ट थिंग टू ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स जो मुझे टेक्स्ट करते हैं इंस्टाग्राम में फर्स्ट ईयर सेकेंड ईयर स्टूडेंट्स लाइक गिव अस सम टिप्स. So the first and foremost tip I give everyone is to please make an account on LinkedIn. This helps a lot. Like when generally this tip is given by your law school seniors, but as you have not gone to your law school still now, you are into this online mode of learning, so I thought why not I will only guide you about LinkedIn, and I will tell you like 3 basic tips which will help you as a beginners on LinkedIn. So the first, before that, I will also like to give a side note. Like the moment you will create an account on LinkedIn, you might feel a kind of competition around, because you know people are posting their achievements over there. You might feel like that FOMO kind of thing, that you're doing nothing and all. Please, okay, this happens with everyone, but now this is something which I have learned. Even in Bhagavad Gita it is written, and Guru Gopal, things are happening around, but how you react, that has a greater impact. So people are posting the achievements, that's okay, fine, okay, you can congratulate them, but what you learn from them, that is most important thing. Like look, if किसी ने अगर post किया कि he has or she has written a research paper, now you have not written research paper, you have not done nothing, so you might feel कि oh my god, maybe उसी age group में हूँ, but I have not written research paper, nothing. But how do you react? You will take a step ki okay fine, even I want to write a research paper. You will take that step to research that how to write a research paper, read research papers, read that person's research paper, what she or she has written. So that is how you react. So please LinkedIn पे आने के बाद you might feel कि oh my god competition चल रही है. competition तो सभी जगह पे है, बस अपन ऑनलाइन मोड पे चल रहे तो पता नहीं चल रहा है ज़्यादा competition के बारे में. But yes, LinkedIn पे ऐसा लगता है, you might feel that the world is going too forward and you are like left out behind somewhere. So please मन पे लगाना मत, just take it as a positive thing, and also follow some great people. If you want, मैं आगे videos बनाऊंगी. Let me know in the comment section that you want some more LinkedIn videos. I will be surely making videos on that also. So there are some amazing people who post some insightful posts. मतलब उनके पढ़ के ही आपको इंस्पिरेशन मिलता है. दे लाइक दे आर सम सीनियर एडवोकेट्स जो अपने टीचिंग्स 25-30 ईयर्स ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस पोस्ट के थ्रू हम सब बडिंग लॉयर्स के लिए इतना यूजफुल होता है. सो दैट ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन whom you follow. So that also has a greater impact. Now this was a side note which I have learned, so I really wanted to share with you. Now let us discuss the 3 tips. फर्स्ट टिप इज द प्रोफाइल पिक्चर. तो प्रोफाइल पिक्चर वहाँ पे अपलोड करना होता है, तो यही मैं बोलूँगी कि दिस इज अ प्रोफेशनल ग्रुप. सो प्लीज क्लिक अ पिक्चर वेयरिंग फॉर्मल्स. लाइक अगर अभी यू आर इनटू फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड, तो माइट भी आपने लिया नहीं होगा क्योंकि ऑनलाइन ही चल रहा है, तो एटलीस्ट वाइट शर्ट पहन के एक प्रोफेशनल फोटोटाइप लेना एंड वो अपलोड करना. बिकॉज दिस इज नॉट एन इंस्टाग्राम और फेसबुक, एनी अदर सोशल मीडिया ऐप जहाँ पे आप अपने सेल्फीज या दिस कहीं पे साइट सीइंग को गए हो या टूरिस्ट स्पॉट पे वहाँ पे पिक्चर्स लिखे आप अपलोड करते हो. नो, नॉट एट ऑल. दिस इज अ प्रोफेशनल ग्रुप. तो प्लीज शो देम दैट यू आर अ लॉ स्टूडेंट. मतलब आई हैव सीन सम एडवोकेट्स जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट के आगे फोटो जो होता है, मतलब दैट्स लाइक वो पिक्चर लगाया हो, एंड दैट शोज ना दे आर एडवोकेट्स, दे प्रैक्टिस इन सुप्रीम कोर्ट. सो प्लीज प्लीज like let the picture speak ki who you are a law student. So please wear formals and click a picture and please upload that. This will be the first step. Second thing, बहुत लोग इसमें ये भी करते हैं कि अपलोड ही नहीं करते पिक्चर, तो दैट डजंट हैव एन ग्रेटर इम्पैक्ट. लाइक I am not telling ki people won't accept your connection request and all, but some will not even accept. Okay, I have heard people telling in many workshops, webinars related to LinkedIn ki some might even not accept your connection request just because your profile is not there. So please don't do that. Have a proper picture, let the world know who you are. Then second tip, that's for the headline. So people are confused, okay, what to write, what not to write. I would just say beginner के लिए, if you are just a beginner, just write your year. Like if you are into BLLB first year, and then your college name. That's more than enough, and the city you are currently in. That's more than enough. and how to improve that headline section. You know, when you give connection request, you see their profiles, so you can learn from that also. Look, this person has written such things. Or you can, I'm not telling completely copy anyone's profile, that's not going to work, but you can learn okay, this person has put this thing in their profile, so even I have some similar things. You can put such things. Learning is like LinkedIn पे देख देख के भी सीख सकते हो. It's very easy. Okay, this was the second tip. Third and the last tip is what to write in the about section. I have seen a lot of profiles, you know, जो about section में कुछ लिखते ही नहीं है, about section में black होता है. Please, वहाँ पे edit option होता है. You can just edit and write about yourself. And write in the first person pronoun. Like you should write, look, hi, my name is Likhita. Like that, you should be writing about yourself on in the about section. And generally, please write in first person pronoun, because यहाँ पे बहुत से लोगों का देखा है मैंने कि वो लिखते हैं कि this profile is of this person, he is a good communicator, or he has a good debate skills and something like that. Please, it gives an impact that someone other person is handling your profile, but you are handling your profile. So please write the first person pronoun. And just imagine, tension लेने की कोई बात नहीं. About section में what you have to write is, please, first of all, another thing, don't copy anyone's about section. Like थोड़े लोग तो जितना copy मार देते, please don't do that. Just think you're meeting someone, some advocate or someone. And how would you introduce yourself? You know, hi, my name is Likhita Aware. I'm currently studying in this year. You can write such simple things like what are your hobbies, or what are your keen interests, or something related to you. 5 or 4 lines are more than enough. But please don't leave it blank. This will have like an edge. If people are seeing your LinkedIn profile, they will feel okay, this person has taken some efforts to at least write and edit the about section. And yes, these were the 3 tips. I think these are very useful 3 tips for the beginners. Work on them and let me know that if you want any further videos on LinkedIn. Until we meet, the video has been adjourned. Bye bye.